Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix could not add card on Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. If you're having this issue on your iPhone, you're going to go ahead and follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. Very first thing is make sure your internet connection is working. So you can pull down the top menu, put it on airplane mode, and turn it off. It does a quick network refresh. Now, another thing to consider is that if you're using cellular data, try getting on Wi-Fi and adding it. And if you're on Wi-Fi, try going on cellular data by turning off Wi-Fi and trying it again. Now, once you have done that, the next thing you want to check out is adding the card. So when it comes to adding the card, first thing is you want to open the wallet and click on the plus icon and then try to add it through here. Now, sometimes it doesn't work through here, so you need to go through the settings. So go into your settings and then look for Apple Wallet and Apple Pay right here. And then from here on, you can actually add a payment card right here as well. Same menu will pop up, but sometimes for some reason it works on the setting besides the app. It'll show up on the app afterwards as well. So go ahead and try that method as well. Now, after you have tried that, a couple other things you want to go ahead and check out is in your iPhone setting, tap on your Apple ID and then click on sign in and security. And in the sign in and security, make sure, very important, that you have two-factor on. If you don't have it, sometimes it doesn't let you add cards. Additionally, on your device in your settings, you want to make sure that you have your passcode or password set up here. If you don't have that set up, it will not let you add any Apple cards. So important that you add that on. Now, after you have added that on, let's go ahead and do other things here. A couple other checks that you want to do is make sure that you verify with your bank or wherever you're getting your card from that they support Apple Pay and Apple Wallet. Sometimes they don't support it, so you may be thinking, oh, I need to add a card, but however, that card provider doesn't support it. In that case, you just won't be able to add it. Now, other thing you want to check out is when you're adding the card, especially on the account here, is you want to make sure the billing address along with your name and expiration date and the security code is correct. A lot of times if you change billing address or if the billing address is incorrect, maybe you got the wrong zip code, maybe you typed in something wrong, it will not let you add the card because it needs to verify everything matches on your account on your card because it does have to authenticate. So very important that you enter the detail exactly that you get on your billing information you can pull out from your statement. Now, if you're still having an issue, the next thing you want to make sure that you don't have any restriction turned on. So for example, in your setting, if you have any VPN, turn off the VPN from here, or you can go to general and then tap on device management and VPN. You can tap over here. If you have it on, turn it off temporarily, and then you can always turn it back on after you add your card. Another thing you want to check out in your settings is screen time settings. If you have content and privacy restrictions, if you have this on, you need to turn that off temporarily and try to add it, as it can block adding cards as well. And then along with that is in your settings, under the general section, you want to check that the date and the time on the phone is correct. So on the date and time should be matches your local area. You can turn off set automatically and adjust it manually as well if you need to, but ideally it should be set automatically. Now, once you have done that and if it's still not working, just simply go ahead and restart your phone. You can use the volume up and the side button. Just press and hold side to power off and then power back on, or you can do it from the top here. You can see a power icon right here. Just click on it, power off, and then use the side button to power back on or plug it into a charger. It will turn back your phone. Now, if you're still having an issue, the next thing to do is go into your setting and then go to general, software update, and update the phone software if there's an update. Sometimes the previous update might have caused issues or there's a bug or glitch. Look for an update. If there is, go ahead and update your phone to the latest version. And I hope all of this video helped you. If it didn't help you, you need to contact Apple support and your card company just to verify that everything looks good and let them know you're trying to add it. Sometimes they can restrict your debit card if they or credit card or the card that you have has any issues. Sometimes they might lock it as well from adding to Apple Pay, and they should be able to help you with that. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.